there's something in my eye. When you see Bae. I'm a hoot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm actually going to be doing my first Valentine's Day themed makeup look throughout February. Mostly every single look is Valentine's Day themed, with the exception of one or two that are posted on specific days because there's something special going on that day that represents the work that I'm doing. So this is the first one. This is actually inspired by Sheslayzmakeup on Instagram, and I actually saw this because I follow the 100 Days of Makeup challenge. So if you guys want to check that out, she is so talented and amazing, and I'm just like looking at her work and I'm just in awe because this was a struggle. I used a sticker, and even then, like, to get the colors and the pigment the way I wanted and to blend it was incredibly difficult. So I give her a lot of credit because hers is spot on perfection. It's so impressive, so definitely check her out. Also, before I move on, this is actually my 100th video on YouTube, which I don't think people really celebrate that, but it makes me really happy because I'm like, wow, I've done a lot, and it's only been, what, 8 months? So I'm really excited and really proud. So thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. I can't wait to upload another 100 more, and then so on and so on and so forth. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so to start off, we're going to be taking our NYX Photo Loving Primer and just applying this all over our face so that we can have a nice smooth base for the rest of our makeup. Then I'm just going to quickly be covering up some of my blemishes on my face with my Maybelline concealer. For my foundation, I'm taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in medium sand and just applying that all over my face with a large buffing brush. And then you just want to make sure that you're blending this down your neck as well. Taking my NYX HD Concealer in Fair, I'm going to be applying this under my eye and along the side of my nose. This is going to help give the illusion that my nose is narrower. And then I'm also going to be applying this to my forehead, under my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and my chin as well. Next, I'm just going to be blending this out, taking my damp beauty sponge and then lightly just blending that away from my face. Taking my Airspun translucent powder and a dry Morphe sponge, I'm then going to start off by baking my makeup so that it won't budge, because if you're going on a date with this makeup, you want to make sure that it stays. Next, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Primer and just applying that to my lids. Next, I'm going to be taking these heart stickers that I got from Michaels and applying that to my eye. This is going to serve as an outline so we can apply the shadow over it and it won't affect the makeup on the inner part. It is going to kind of create a blank canvas in the shape of a heart. It is also going to create a barrier so it is hard to see what you're doing. Next, you're going to be taking your Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, taking this highlight shade and just applying it to your brow bone. We really want to build up the color so that it has that nice glowy look and will blind your date, especially if you're going on a blind date. Wouldn't that be great? Then of course you just want to go ahead and blend this out. We're then going to be moving on this pink eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette and just stippling it on to really try and build up the color around the heart. And also you want to make sure that you're blending it out as well. The key to this entire look is to blend as you go. We're then going to be doing the exact same thing with this hot pink color by stippling it on and blending it out. Once again, we just want to kind of create that nice ombre effect, starting from it being darker and then slowly getting lighter as it goes upwards. We're also going to be taking this fuchsia and building up the color even more. Next, we're going to be taking this magenta color and we're going to be applying that towards the lash line, and once again just slowly starting to fade it upwards. Once again, you just want to take your blending brush to try and make it look as smooth and flawless as possible. You're also going to be taking your purple eyeshadow and doing the exact same thing. Now, not going to lie, it starts to get quite difficult to blend all of this out and the colors can kind of be patchy. Just keep going over with your blending brush and we can always go in and blend later around the shape of the heart. Next, we're going to be taking our black eyeshadow and applying that right next to the outline of the heart and just making sure that we can kind of define those edges a little bit. If I could, I probably would have added a little bit more just so we can really get more detail regarding the shape of the heart. Once again, you just want to go ahead and blend that out, taking your Morphe blending brush. Then we're going to lift off these stickers and see the magic that we created that kind of just looks like butt cheeks. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and take our NYX concealer on a small brush, and we're just going to be filling that in, and we're also going to be setting that with our white Morphe eyeshadow just so it can set and that we don't completely mess up everything that we've been working on. This is going to be because we're going to be applying colors over it, and this is going to help define the shape of the heart. We're then going to be taking these two shimmer eyeshadows from our palette and just lightly applying that into the heart shape that we have set on our lids. Then you just want to go ahead and start to brush away all of your excess translucent powder from your face. Taking your NYX Epic Ink Liner, we are then going to create a nice simple wing for this eye look. I debated if I wanted to do any liner or not, and I just kind of decided that, you know, it already kind of looks a little funky as it is, so why not try and make it better with some winged liner? We're then going to be taking our eyeshadow from earlier and just applying that to our lower lash line. Next, we're going to get a little crazy, and we're going to be taking this hot pink color and applying it only to the outer and inner corner of the lower lash line, leaving the middle open. We're going to be doing the same thing with our magenta eyeshadow and our purple eyeshadow as well. Then you just want to lightly blend this out so there are no harsh lines. Next, we're going to be taking our L'Oreal Silkist Me eyeliner in charcoal and tightlining our lower waterline. Then we're going to be taking our Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, taking medium and dark cocoa, and just starting to define our features. We're going to start by contouring our cheekbones, moving up to our forehead, our nose, and our jawline, and you can even bring that down to your neck and décolleté area as well. For blush, I'm taking my custom MAC palette, taking this nice fuchsia color, and just applying that to my cheeks just so we can get that nice rosy glow. I'm then going to be taking my NYX Holographic Halo in Primal and applying that to my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my collarbones as well. I love this. I feel like it gives such a natural inner glow kind of look, and it is absolutely stunning. It is basically Facetune in material form. Then I'm just going to be blending this out, taking one of my highlight brushes. I'm then going to be taking my two liquid crystal liners in Crystal Pink and Crystal Hip and just applying that to the heart. You definitely want to make sure that these are reasonably dry before you start blinking and looking up or anything like that, because if they are still wet, you might get the liquid glitter anywhere that you don't really intend it to be. For our lips, I'm just taking my MAC lip pencil in Plum and just starting out by outlining my lips just so they can look nice and defined. I'm then taking my ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Tootsie and just filling in all of the gaps, and I will also be taking a brush to blend the lip liner into the lipstick. After I've curled my lashes, I'm going to be taking my Benefit They're Real mascara, and I'm just going to be sweeping that through my eyelashes just so that I can prep them for my falsies. I'm just taking this really pretty pair of eyelashes. It is in the box that says the Sephora Hipsters, but not gonna lie, I think I got these from Nigel's and I don't really remember which ones they were, which kills me because I think they're so pretty. So I don't think they're the Sephora Hipsters because I went to buy some more and it definitely wasn't them. So if you guys happen to know what lashes I'm wearing, please let me know. I'm then going to be taking my NYX Holographic Halo in Primal again and just applying that to the inner corner of my eye with my e.l.f. sponge brush. Then I'm just going to be taking my liquid eyeliner again and just applying that over the lash band so that it blends into my lashes more seamlessly. I'm then going to be taking these mini hearts that I also got from Michaels and some liquid latex and just applying that right under my eye. And that is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!